Well, let me show you my 3 calves. They're fixing to go to the sale barn. She is the biggest. They're bawling because they want the mamas. This is the boy. He is pretty. Got a few flies on him right now. I wish I could. In fact, I did put some fly juice on him. But anyway, they're I'm not a great guesser of weight, but my brother-in-law is. He said the black one is probably going to go 625 to 650. May even more than that, because he is shorter. Boy, he is thick. That the red one, the biggest one, is probably going to go 650 to 675. And the white one is a full month, 5 weeks younger than they are. And she's going to make 6, I think. She's going to be real close to 6. These two are about, not quite 8 months old, which maybe they should be a little bigger, but they are out of, they're the mama's first calves. They're out of heifers, so that's really not bad for our first calf, raising those youngins. All 3 of them were heifers. All 3 of the mamas were heifers, but she is pretty. All 3 of them, just, man, they're just as good at calves, fancy calves. If I think about it, tomorrow, the next day, I'll try to set up a tripod maybe and show loading them up in the trailer and such. I've got them walking in my pen real good to get some food. Just fed them a little bit. And so hopefully it shouldn't be any problem getting them in the pen when we're ready to go. Neighbor and me are gonna go same place, same time. So he's gonna bring his trailer and we're gonna load them up and take them to sale barns, probably Friday. Sale is Saturday, we'll probably take them Friday. So I want to show them to you. Some of you will remember that black one. He probably, I mean, he wasn't bigger than a minute. He looked like a dang chihuahua. I bet he didn't weigh 40 pounds. And I was even concerned about him when he was first born. He wasn't trying to suck. Anyway, he wasn't much to look at, but he grew off pretty well. She was pretty good size when she was born, but the red one was big. She outweighed him. I bet she outweighed him by 20 pounds or more. And she was big. She was born big. But anyway, good looking set of calves. Out of 3 heifers, I had 2 heifers and a bull. Out of 3 heifer cows, 3 heifer mamas, I had 2 heifer calves, 1, 2, and then 1 bull calf. Tried to castrate him, just didn't feel like I had both items that I needed to have in the band, and so I cut the band off and he is intact. He was just so small down there that I just didn't feel like I had everything I need to have, let's put it that way. So I didn't cut the band off and he is intact. Anyway, there they are. I'll show you, hopefully show you loading them up and take them to the sale barn. I'll definitely tell you what they brought. And we'll see if this was a profitable venture. All right, we'll see you in a few days with some reports.